Hello traders, today is 24th of April 2023 and let me share with you guys how we traded today. If you look at the Euro USD chart and if you look at the 4-hour chart as mentioned this morning to my traders, we were expecting this breakout, and based on the previous price action you can see how many time price rejected this support. So we were expecting a long trade here. So as you can see here now, the price developed bullish engulfing candle this morning. So after the breakout, just keep taking a pullbacks, and that's what I explained my trader. And the target around this level, which price nicely hit, almost about to hit. And let me share with you how I analyze the entries, and that was a pretty straightforward, guys. And if you look at the this morning, we have this pretty straightforward breakout, and after this, you can see a price nicely develop a wedge and breakout. After the momentum was bullish, breakout long trade, price nicely hit to the first target, bank some profit, and after banking some profit we were expecting another pullback around this level, which price nicely developed another two pullbacks. As soon as the price hit to the first fib channel, that's what I explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade, guys, you can see here. All right, so pound dollar, more or less the same pattern we had it. And if I show you here, um, I look at the 4-hour chart, that's a pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful rejection. You can see here price respected many times. So we have this breakout, and after this breakout, we were expecting a pullback, and afterwards, such a nice, beautiful trade. And the first target is about to hit. And if the price continue, then I'm expecting I'm gonna hit this level. That's the previous level. You can see here. So let's see. And let me share with you the entries this morning. Pretty straightforward. And if you look at the first entry this morning, based on the 4-hour chart, we have this beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback. And at the New York session, pretty straightforward. We were looking this wedge breakout. After the breakout, another pullback. Beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Right, so dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, pretty straightforward this morning. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had this long trade here this morning, bank a few PPs. And as soon as the price respected, we're expecting now possibility of short. We also had a short trade, and afterwards you can see here price developer consolidation. And let me share with you the entries. That was a pretty straightforward this morning. We had this breakout long trade here, bank few PPs. Afterwards, you can see a price impulsively move, and that's what I explained in the analysis. If the price failed to maintain, stay above the previous high, so after this breakout, look at another pullback. So you can see here price broken and develop another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking some profit. If you want to struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where we train people with the live market, and we also provide funding. So more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.